Hey guys, I don't know about you, but there is nothing nicer than a muffin and a good cup of coffee, especially a blueberry muffin that pops with flavor, moist, delicious, absolutely incredible. So let's make some of these up. So we will start with 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, and get a good vegetable oil because believe me, if you don't, there's a really weird aftertaste. Followed by another 1/3 of a cup of milk, and 2% works absolutely fine. Crack in an egg, let's get cracking here. Snag up our whisk, and we're going to beat this until everything is well combined. Okay, let's go ahead and set this aside for a few minutes. Now for our dry ingredients, because you simply can't have wet without dry. A cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Now this is just white granulated, which works absolutely fine. A couple of teaspoons of baking powder to make those muffins puff up and rise. A pinch of salt just to bring out some flavor, and I'd say, oh, this is about 1/4, half a teaspoon. Then once again a mixing we will go until everything is combined. Well, you don't want a mouthful of baking powder or salt. That would not be good. Now for the star of the show, a cup of those wonderful blueberries. And if you can use fresh blueberries, guys, that's even gooder because I had a chance to go blueberry picking.
Yeah, we'll pick another one here. I have strawberries too, but apparently there aren't any. I think I'm going to eat more than I pick. Berry picking we go.
Once again, grab up our spatula this time, and a mixing we will go. And if you can't find fresh blueberries, you can use store-bought ones, or, well, I don't know, borrow from the neighbor, I guess. I have to say that adding the blueberries to this flour does a bit of magic. It stops them from sinking. And there is nothing worse than biting into a muffin and all the blueberries are at the bottom of the muffin. You want them mixed in the whole muffin. At least I do anyway. Okay, now we are going back in with that wet mixture that we set aside. Then just kind of fold everything together. This will take a couple of minutes. Until you kind of get a wet, sticky mixture, something like this. This is about perfect. If it's too watery, add a little bit more flour, but I think this is pretty good right here. Okie dokie, now that's all said and done, we can set that aside and start with our crumble mixture with 1/2 cup of flour. Once again, all-purpose flour, of course. Then 1/4 cup of chopped cold butter, and make sure it's really cold, otherwise it doesn't chop very well and it certainly doesn't crumble. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now I'm using brown because I like that molassesy effect, but you could go ahead and use white, but you know, I'd be disappointed. Then a teaspoon of cinnamon, min. And I just love cinnamon. You could also throw a bit of nutmeg in there too. Now using your fingertips, grab up some of that mixture and squeeze that butter into it until a beautiful, beautiful crumble forms. And maybe I'm a bit strange, but I just love the sensation of that crumble coming together. All is pretty much done here, guys, so we're going to grab up a muffin tray and line it with some muffin cups. Take our fancy-dancy ice cream scooper here. Now you can use a spoon too, I just like these. And fill each cup about 3/4 of the way full. And look at those fresh blueberries just screaming, I want to be in the muffin and baked. I want to be in the muffin and baked. I know, silly. Put about 3 or 4, maybe 5 of those fresh berries on top, just for keepsake and appearance too. Of course, a good pinch of that fresh crumble has to go over top. Oh, just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely stunning and fantastic? And you could also add a little teeny tiny knob of fresh butter over the top of that. I didn't bother, but nothing's stopping you from doing that. Now I'm going to slip these into a 400 Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 22 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on them because, you know, ovens can be weird and they vary. After about 25 minutes, just look at these guys. These blueberry muffins look incredible. Those blueberries just popping through. That crumble on top. Oh, it doesn't get any better. When you pick these up and crack them open, like I said in the beginning of the video, they are moist, delicious, bursting with flavor, and absolutely fantastic with a cup of tea or coffee. Simply, my friends, a must make. So go ahead and make them and let me know. Hungry for more? Subscribe.